Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix auto rotate on Android device. So now without any further ado, let's begin with the process. So first of all, scroll down to your control panel from the top of your mobile screen. Now once you are here, again just scroll down from these options. Now over here at the right hand corner, you can see the option of auto rotate which is turned on. Now, if you simply tap on this option of auto rotate, it has been turned off. Now, if you long tap on this option of portrait, you can see that the toggle for auto rotate is turned off. Now, if you turn on this toggle which says off, now here you can see that your auto rotate has been turned on again. Now at the bottom you can see various other options for rotate to landscape mode. So if you turn on the toggle for each of these options, you can turn on the auto rotate for each of these specific options given. Now let's turn off this toggle for auto rotate, and it has been turned off. So follow these easy steps and you'll be able to turn off auto rotate on Android device. And that's all for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.